Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is a part 2 video of coordinate bond. This is a part 2 video. Now we are looking for some tricks. So today we will going to discuss about the some examples, some tricks about the coordinate bond. How it will form the coordinate bond, how it will form single bond, how it will form double bond. Okay, so like this coordinate bond we will simplify more easy. So this is a trick for the coordinate bond. So trick for the main group of elements, we will take the main group of elements for this. Okay, so I have discussed the certain cases. See these three cases. Okay, that's why the forming the coordinate bond. So we will having like this kind of elements. Okay, that is a and B. Okay, where A will be less electronegative. Usually this is from period 3. In our periodic table, period 1, period 2, period 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then. Okay, so this is a period 3. In our period 3, what type of elements are there? Silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. Okay, B will be more electronegative. This is from period 2. Okay, please remember this. This is from period 3 and this is from period 2. This is a more electronegative and here less electronegative. So period 2 elements carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Okay, so what happened? We are having the three cases where electron donated by the less electronegative atom to the more electronegative atom. This is a less electronegative, we already discussed here. This is a less electronegative, this is a more electronegative. Okay, electrons are donating by this less electronegative to the more electronegative. Then what will happen? Double bond will form. Okay, in second case, more electronegative. Okay, so more electronegative atom donates the electron to this less electronegative atom. Okay, so this is a more electronegative atom and this is a less electronegative atom. Then what will happen? Single bond will form. Okay, we are having third case where the atoms are same electronegativity. Same electronegativity are donating this electron pair to the vacant orbital to another atom. Okay, so what will happen? This is your case. Any of the less, so here only same atoms only will giving to this here A less electronegative to less electronegative atom will donate the electrons, means double bond will form. And here more electronegative to more electronegative, this is a period 2 na here. Okay, more electronegative will form, means here will form single bond. Okay, clear? Now coming to this case 1. Okay, here in this case, if you are having the less electronegative atom is giving to the electron pair of more electronegative atom, then you will form double bond na? So what is the reason behind this? Because more electronegative atom, this is a more electronegative atom. More electronegative atom does not have any vacant d orbital. Okay, this is a reason. So more electronegative atom does not have vacant d orbital. In a period 2, no vacant d orbital form. Okay, so basically this pair p pi d pi and p pi d pi we already discussed here. Okay, so here see this p pi d pi bond will form now. Okay, like this, double bond, more electronegative atom and less electronegative atom, then it will form double bond. So this is a H2SO4 example. This is a H2SO4 example, same like this. So that's why p pi d pi bond will happen, hence the result in the formation of double bond. So very better example for this example means this only. What? This H2SO4, sulfur and oxygen, less electronegative and more electronegative, double bond will form. Okay, result in the formation of double bond. So here is the trick that you need to remember. Whenever the less electronegative atom, this is a less electronegative atom, no? Whenever the less electronegative atom donate means double bond only will form. Okay, whenever the more electronegative atom in our pair donate means it will form single bond. Please remember this one. Okay, why here single bond form here? So next, coming to the second case, more electronegative atom means carbon, sulfur, oxygen and fluorine. This is from a period 2. Okay, one reason, the less next one, d orbital, so it will form carbon and oxygen bond formation. Then coming to the case 3. Okay, case 3, if this electron transfer occur among the same atoms, so this is the same atoms. Okay, same atoms, just like this. For example, H2S2O3. Not this is H2SO4, this is a H2S2O3. Sulfur to sulfur transferring forming. Here, sulfur to sulfur. Look over here. Sulfur and oxygen. Sulfur to sulfur transferring the electrons are forming. If they are period 3, if they are from period 3, they are of period 2 more electronegative atoms. Okay, so like this representation, they are more electronegative. B plus and B minus result in the formation of single bond. Okay, are you clear? Again I am repeating this example. See, this is the same elements. So this is a less electronegative atom, this is a less electronegative atom. So if here onwards electron transferring will form means here sulfur to sulfur electron will form means coordinate bond will form. Okay, so next in this representation, B is a more electronegative atom, na? So single bond will form. Here this is a period 3 element, this is a oxygen is a period 2 element. Now just transferring to the atom, so sulfur will transfer to the oxygen atom, then SO4 will come. SO4, see here 4 oxygens will come. Okay, S will going to the transfer of atom. So this is a trick. Case 1, case 2, case 3. Case 1 less electronegative to more electronegative. Case 2 more electronegative to less electronegative. Under case 3 same atoms will transfer to the electrons. Okay, this is a very little tricks to analyze the coordinate bond, how it will form. Okay, clear? Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.